Today is the day the R8 finally gets an upgraded exhaust system. This car is cool, but this exhaust sound just isn't really cutting it, to be honest. As you can see, the R8 has been pulled into the unit, and a massive thank you to Reflections Automotive once again for coming through and letting me use the unit. If it wasn't for him, this would be done outside with bolts all over the floor, and that's not ideal. And you guys know on the channel that I like to get my hands dirty and work on my cars myself. And that is where this comes into, look at this. This is a Quicksilver titanium exhaust, and it is, if you've ever seen a standard R8 exhaust, it is noticeably smaller. It's also a lot lighter, as you can see. It's around 27 kilos lighter than the standard one that is on the car. And it's just, it looks so cool, doesn't it? It's such a shame to cover this up. But anyway, I'm absolutely buzzing, so let's not waste any more time. Get the car jacked up, rip the rear bumper off, and see how easy this is to install.
I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like, oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say nothing, I bet they hear me now. Ain't no my business, no need to hear me out. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Yeah, I could never borrow from no man. How you talking ownership and no land? I got my roll on, now I'm rolling. I drive on my cars like they're stolen. You got on and put your homies up.
What you guys have just seen then, from probably 2 or 3 minutes or so worth of time lapses, is 5 hours worth of work. And as you can see, I have completely written off Ross's poor unit, but more importantly, the standard back box is off. And I have also spotted a Lamborghini badge. So that means I am now the proud owner of a Lamborghini. But I thought it'd be rude not to show you guys how good this, or possibly bad, this car would sound without a back box. So I'm just going to stand a bit further back because I imagine it's going to be really loud, and we'll start her up. Right, that's enough clowning around. Let's get the Quicksilver exhaust on the car. I'm a bit speechless, to be honest. And yeah, try and put it back together. Oh my God! This car sounds the dog's I know it sounds cliche, but I can't believe how much this titanium Quicksilver exhaust has truly transformed my Audi R8. Before, you could mistake it for an Audi TT. When you were driving normally, it was so comfortable and quiet. It was lacking a little bit of something, a little bit of drama, whereas now, oh my God, it sings. What this car now has is that sense of occasion. This car it's come alive. It's got so much more theatre. It sounds like a thunderous V8. It sounds how it should. It is it is so antisocial and loud. I absolutely love it. When I bought this exhaust, I was thinking, there's gonna be no way that this car will be louder than the M3, but second gear, come on. Oh my God. I have fallen in love with my Audi R8. It's exactly what the car needed. It was worth the 14 hours or so that myself and my friend Ross spent on the car. It has transformed it. It sounds so good. I do, however, feel a little bit guilty cold starting this and driving it through little villages because, oh my God, honestly, it is so loud on the outside. And it's even like really loud here in the interior as well. Oh my God. Oh, this is ridiculous. I am over the moon with how this car sounds. It has exceeded all my expectations. When Quicksilver said to me on the phone, like, oh yeah, it will be loud, I wasn't expecting it. Does sound perhaps a little drony. I am going up a really steep hill, to be fair, but I don't care, to be honest. It is such a sense of occasion now. It's made the car feel more like a supercar. Supercars to me should be loud and leery and turn heads. And this, Christ, this turns heads before people have even seen it right there. The guy heard it and turned around. Oh my God. My ears are actually ringing. It is loud. This exhaust will not come through on camera. Camera will not do this exhaust justice. It sings. And what I find myself doing even more now is sitting higher in the rev range, because once you hit the limiter, you do get a couple of burbles, and even when you let off, you can hear the odd pop and bang, which is phenomenal. And I'm just driving through a village now. Oh God, I am so sorry. Oh God. Oh, she did not look happy. Sorry. The thing is, it's now at a national speed limit, so if I gun it, they're all gonna hear me. Oh my God, what else can I say? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Surely me being brave enough to take apart an Audi R8 deserves a thumbs up. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. I want to say a massive thank you to my friend Ross over at Reflections Automotive, because not only did he let me use his spotless detailing unit and essentially let me make a mess of it, but for the last 2 days he's helped me install the exhaust, and then he even gave the car a full valet when we were finished, and honestly that does mean a lot, and I couldn't have done it without him, to be honest. And I think our efforts have paid off tremendously. Oh my god, yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. It is loud, it is obnoxious, but it's kind of what I wanted at the end of the day. It sounds phenomenal. It's transformed the car. I am absolutely beaming. So yeah, like I said, if you haven't already, give this video a big fat thumbs up. I think I deserve it, of 2 days worth of stress with this car. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because as you can imagine, there is plenty more content and modifications for the Audi R8 coming in the not too distant future. And I just love it, to be honest. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you as always for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.